60 seconds Ifemi correct pidgin earnings. Now we dey do and wetin we dey look today na the UEFA Europa League. Many people dey like call this one inter sports, but this morning we wan look some kind of ogbonge things for this UEFA Europa League because we don notice say people dey always talk say English teams they no dey take this UEFA Europa League serious, but we don notice say since year 2000 English teams they don win UEFA Europa League 3 times. So Man United dem win am for 2017, Liverpool dem win am for 2001, and Chelsea dem win am for 2013. Spanish club they don win this UEFA Europa League 9 times since year 2000. German league they never win am at all since year 2000. Turkey na 1 time, Portugal 2 times, Ukraine 1 time, Russia 2 times, Netherlands 1 time. All these ones na since year 2000. But why people no dey talk German league? Why every time they go dey talk say English league no dey take Europa League serious, English league no like Europa League? Why they no dey talk about German league like that? I wan know. And if people no dey take UEFA Europa League serious, wetin dey cause am? If you win UEFA Europa League, you don qualify go Champions League. You fit ask Manchester United, they know this one well well. So why people no dey take UEFA Europa League serious? And this season Arsenal, Chelsea dem dey UEFA Europa League na the same result wey we dey always see wey be say Spanish team na dey win am every time. Abi as Arsenal and Chelsea dey there, dem go win am again, make e be England 4 times. Abi na German team finally na im go win UEFA Europa League this season.